Okay, so that's a summary of the tool basically. This is how you're going to use the tool. So you're going to basically follow these nurses, record what they're doing when the activity is complete, and you're going to do that for 2 hours. So this data collection will occur for 2 hours. All right. Now, there is a data collection that you're required to do. There's some qualitative questions that you're required to ask the nurse, and these questions need to be asked at some time during your data collection. Okay, you're going to have to pick a time, pick an event that the nurse is working on to ask these questions here. All right, and to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to jump back to the location screen. Okay, and you're going to select the qualitative question button. You'll click on that qualitative question button, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to click on the voice memo, and it'll open up the browser here, this voice memo browser, and you're going to record the questions and the answers. Okay, so you're going to use your tablet and you're going to hit the record button here, and then you're going to read the question to the nurse, and you're going to record the nurse's answer. So in this case, I've started the recording for question 1, so I'll read that. In your own words, can you describe, think aloud, in detail, the nursing activity that you just performed and why you performed this activity? What was your intent or rationale? The nurse will think about that for a second, and then they'll answer. So they'll answer that question, and then when you're done with that, you'll stop the recording, and then you'll jump to the second recording slot here, and you'll record the second question. You'll hit the recording button, you'll read the question to the nurse, and the nurse will answer it, and it'll get recorded here. You'll do that to the third one as well. Okay. So you're going to do this. One time during your data collection event. You'll answer these qualitative questions. When you're done with that, you're going to jump right back into your direct observation. You're going to record where the nurse is. Let's say you asked these questions in the hallway. So I'm going to click on hallway. And I'm also going to jump over to screen 2, and I'm going to charge that time to answer survey. Okay, and now I can go ahead and begin actually recording all the other activities that the nurse is doing during this time period. Okay, at the end of your direct observation period, you're going to stop the study. To do that, you'll hit the red square. At the end, once you hit the red square, the last question that is asked is what's the number of patients assigned to RN at the end? In this case, I'm just going to say 5. You'll hit the OK button, and at that point, your study is complete, and you will basically go store the PDA or potentially charge it so that the next day, the next time you need to do data collection, the PDA is charged. All right, this completes our summary of how to use the tablets. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me or email me at the number included in your documentation. Again, this is Nelson Lee. Thank you very much for watching this short presentation.